Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add GIFs here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding GIFs in Adobe Express is a great way to make your designs more dynamic and engaging. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, this is the perfect opportunity for you to create a GIF by clicking the View All section right here and click the Quick Actions tab. From here, you just have to click the Convert to GIF option, all right? If you click that, what will happen is you would be asked to convert a video to GIF in seconds with the free online tool. All you're gonna do is drag and drop a video or browse from your computer or machine. Now, here I have added a video that I'm going to convert to GIF, which has the option to create a large high quality file size or a medium quality or small quality if you're just creating a draft where you can use for these layouts. Are you going to use that as a landscape, or are you going to use that for a portrait or square? All right, you can simply go to the download option, wherein if you click that, it's exporting your file, and wait for it. As you can see, the download has started. Now from here, what I'm going to do is go to the left side panel of my dashboard now here and click the upload section. I'm going to export, or import the GIF from the exported file earlier. And this is going to be the GIF earlier, right? Let me just zoom that in so you guys can see it. So that's the zoom GIF file, right? So that's it. Now, once you have done that, all right, if it's going to be a part of your design, overall design, you might want to click on the upper right corner to click on the download option. From here, you can include the GIF as part of your amazing design by pressing the MP4 if you wanted. But if you wanted to save this to your cloud, for example, you wanted to save it to a copy of this amazing design to your cloud in Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, you're welcome to do that. And if you want to share this amazing design, just copy that link and send it to your client or to your boss. Because Adobe Express can allow your static designs into animated GIFs. All right. When you're done, again, just go to the download section and you'll be able to use that to whatever you wanted it to be part of an engaging project, okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.